how to turn every DLV into a DHV, means demonstration of lower value into higher value. Now, to give you a personal former example of mine, let's say you live with your family at an age which is not really socially acceptable anymore, and of course not that highly attractive to any woman. So what you can do is you can tell her, hey, you know what, I moved back again to my mother or to my family because I'm taking care of her, and come up with something which has light after the tunnel, means not with something long-term sickness or something deadly, but hey, you're helping out for a short limited of time until she's better again or she's on the way to be better, and then you're soon moving out. And what this story is basically doing is you trigger certain emotions which convey high value attributes to her, means something initially low value suddenly becomes a high value trait in her eyes, a protector of loved ones, taking care of his loved ones, of his family, of his mother, etc., etc., and triggers automatically in her, hey, he will take care of me as well.